Here are 3 ways you can try to assign an action to someone in Google Docs. First, you can use the add icon. Just type add like this. Like that. So when you type this character, Google Docs will spawn this menu, and then you can select the person that you want to assign the task with. Let's say I'm going to pick this person, and I'm going to add some comment or some action that this person needs to do. Let's say change the font color. So that's the simple way to do that. Another way is simply by just using the comment feature that is available in Google Docs. Let's say I want to change this text color to something else. I'm going to just select the text and then click on this icon that says add comment, and I'm going to give an action or give a suggestion about what to do with that part. So change the color and click comment. And by the way, you can also call someone or basically assign someone to this task. Right, now another way to assign an action is by using the something called checklist in Google Docs. So what you need to do is just go to this menu that says checklist, and then you can write task 1 and then task 2, task 3. Just ignore this different size because I was using a completely different font size, but this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be like a bullet point, but you can actually click on it like that, like this. And when you click on the task, it means that the task is no longer available or the task has been done. So yeah, that's the 3 ways you can try to assign an action in Google Docs.